Green construction can be any architecture. It can look like adobe, concrete block with a split face, can look like limestone, it can be stuccoed over to look like Mediterranean or Spanish, or we can clip siding to it. So there's no limitations to the type of architecture that you can achieve through these green buildings. All of the components and design ideas that we have can be applied to new construction as well as existing buildings and commercial. We can apply this technique to a small residential room addition, a commercial TI to an old restaurant, commercial building for a library, up to a large multi-million-dollar custom home. It fits everybody. What started me thinking about green construction was all the maintenance and callbacks on conventional buildings in the past. Warranty items and products failing and water infiltration, the stucco paper around doors and windows, the mold that was collecting on all the conventionally framed homes, the paint and stain that was needed to keep up the outside and exterior of buildings, the waste from the job sites, a lot of good timber that was being cut off and wasted, the lack of energy efficiency, the difficulty in heating and cooling the structures. And so after 27 years of being a builder, I started thinking there's just got to be a better way. What I wanted to achieve for these buildings was a greater energy efficiency. I wanted to make it more affordable to live comfortably year-round. And so all of these buildings should be easier to heat or cool. Utility bills should be substantially lower. The maintenance should be substantially lower. The idea is to just use energy efficient products, get rid of what's toxic, get rid of the waste. We take the entire property from A to Z and make sure that it is as renewable and green and energy efficient as possible. The energy efficiency codes in the state of California have Title 24s and LEED certification, of which our products are surpassing their most stringent levels by about 40%. The components from water storage to gray water use to ductless air conditioning to masonry walls to native landscapes and desertscapes, preserving native plants and rocks during grading. Its basic design and building systems for every single component is just superior compared to conventional construction of the past. Everything we're doing here is just about building smart. It doesn't take any more time or any more money. It's just some common sense building practices that have been used for hundreds of years. Green construction that we're after is going to be the same price as conventional construction, if not less, and it's going to take less time to build, so the construction schedule is going to be less than conventional construction. The building codes themselves, because we've eliminated about 7 trades, we're getting through plan check faster and more efficiently because we've eliminated a lot of the conventional construction that was very tedious and very difficult to put together. So we're being smart about the way we spend our money by eliminating trades and materials that are not energy efficient or that are toxic. We've freed up the money to buy solar electric, solar hot water heating, a smartphone running your entire home, so the air conditioning, lighting, blinds can all be run from your smartphone with money that we've saved by not using toxic products from the past. The benefit to living in one of these homes, it's just better. It's a 500-year structure with less maintenance, less power bills, less water use, at the same price as conventional construction and a faster job site schedule.